Alright, what's going on, you guys? So today I want to talk to you about the Smith Optics Adult Black Igniter Goggles. These are a pair of pretty much snow sport goggles that you can use for really any snow sport that you can think of. From snowboarding to skiing to snowmobiling, I guess, and beyond. They're really great. They're definitely like, I would say, mid to higher, mid-high range goggles. Not the best in the world, also not low end by any means, thanks to some of the cool properties that they have that makes them so great. So for starters, you do have a carbonic lens on the front. This is an X-shaped lens. It's, as you can see, it's gotten a little bit scratched over the years from, more serious falls and things like that, although it's never broken, and it's been through some crazy things. That's what's so great about this to start with. It's just very tough, very durable, and also very lightweight. That's what's so great about these like carbonic lenses, is that they're very lightweight, yet can withstand almost anything. It's also, they're incredibly clear to look through, which is awesome. I love that they have this kind of like purple hue in the front. It really kind of just like brightens everything up. Kind of just gives you a different perspective when you're out there in the snow. It brightens everything up. It keeps things bright without things being too like glary or reflective, which is the main reason why people wear snowboarding goggles, because the sun can get really bright on the snow and it can be kind of hard to see after some time. And so they did a really great job at providing a mixture of both. They are also anti-fog lenses on the inside, so you don't have to worry about them fogging up, which is great. Any mid to higher end pair of goggles should have anti-fog lenses. They're just, they're so much easier than having to take it off and like wipe things down all the time. So, it's really helpful that they kind of did that. They are helmet compatible, thanks to the fact that the strap on here is pretty big. It's also very simple to put on. I love the fact that it's not a slip over the head system, but instead you basically take these off right here. This is like a really nice silicone strap, by the way. Very comfortable. As you can see, it's like lined with this sort of this membrane sort of material, and it's very stretchy, very soft, very durable, and fits well, forms well to your head. But the cool thing about this is, it's not like your typical strap. You essentially latched on the back. It's kind of difficult to do with one hand here. Yeah, I'm not gonna try that. But yeah, the point is, you can easily put it around a big helmet if you want, and it just makes it much easier to do that. And then once you have that strapped, then you can start adjusting so that the strap in the back stays closed. Just makes things more comfortable. It's easy to get off right away if you need to for any reason. And I think just overall, just like a small but also innovative design they have here, which I really like. It does also come with this little bag right here. This is just your pretty standard microfiber goggle bag. It's nice though, because it keeps the lenses safe, and it's also soft, easy to carry. It has the two little pull ties on the side, so you can make sure that your goggles are staying safe and secure when you put them in. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. I mean, other than that, very lightweight, tough build. You have some cool ways that they've imprinted their logo all around. Just got a really nice shine to it, even after being used for a long time. Foam on the back, super comfortable to wear. As you can see, the Smith logo is literally everywhere. They found every place to put it on these goggles, truly. But yeah, overall, some really cool goggles. I would highly recommend them to anyone looking for a mid to higher range pair for the season. Yeah, that's about it. Check them out, the Smith Optics Black Igniter goggles. Alrighty guys, take it easy.